Council convened for the first time since last week's election.
Yeah, and council members are sending a stark warning to Rochester businesses. KIMT News 3's Anthony Monzon is live outside the Government Center tonight with more.
Katie, George, we've heard from public health experts who warn coronavirus is surging in our area, and now city leaders, they have a warning of their own for city businesses who may not be following coronavirus restrictions. City Council issuing a stark warning to area businesses who disregard coronavirus-related health codes.
I'd like to direct the city attorney to communicate with our leaseholders of city properties the following: that violations of state health codes, especially those having to do with our ongoing handling of the coronavirus, can constitute a violation of our lease agreements. That we expect these leaseholders will meet these standards at a minimum and encourage them, given the uncontrolled spread within our community, to exceed the minimums whenever possible.
This after a video surfaced in which some councilors believe a downtown business leasing city property was blatantly violating COVID-19 restrictions.
I think we need to be a lot tougher. I'm just tired of playing games and seeing disease spread, and we'll get around to this. I'm looking forward for some meaningful updates about real actions that were taken to end these problems permanently.
Council President Randy Staver expressing concern over the warning, urging council to further investigate the video before taking any action.
I'm really alarmed at wanting to pass something like this and essentially single out a business and perhaps shut them down.
Council member Nick Campion issuing this response.
I am going to take a measured response to this and say that it is different when the business is a leaseholder inside of city property and when said leaseholder posts video to their own business page of the activity taking place. It is not hearsay.
And City Attorney Jason Luce says the city is in contact with the business in question and will continue its dialogue with that business tomorrow. Live in Rochester, Anthony Monzon, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Anthony. Today's City Council also passed a resolution granting the University of Minnesota Rochester $2.5 million for renovations to one of its buildings, which was part of an agreement made in 2013.